A new year means a chance to evaluate your current business practices and set attainable goals for the upcoming year. Consider some resolutions as a means of getting better performance and longer life out of your battery fleet in 2023. This year, you should make it a priority to perform routine inspections on your electric forklift battery fleet. You should also make sure to keep up with a consistent watering schedule for your batteries. Not properly watering risks lowering the life expectancy of a forklift battery by up to 50%. This year, you should perform a proper assessment of your battery fleet's health. Even without monitoring technology, you can still document the condition and capacity level of each battery through annual tests. In 2023, you should consider implementing a fleet management system. A fleet management system provides data that can help you understand optimal forklift utilization, which can be extremely valuable in right-sizing your fleet and understanding actual battery usage. The beginning of the new year is a great time to assess your fleet's charger requirements. Data provided by your battery and fleet management systems can help determine the number of chargers needed to support your fleet. The amount of chargers you require also depends on the type of charger technology your fleet utilizes: conventional, fast, or opportunity charging. Another important consideration to make is if you will need chargers that support lithium-ion technology in the future. Lithium forklift batteries are becoming more prevalent within the material handling industry. They can provide a better total cost of ownership, or TCO, compared to their lead-acid battery counterparts. Although the upfront costs of lithium forklift batteries are considerably higher than lead-acid, lithium batteries provide a 2 to 3 times longer lifespan and many other advantages.